Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and the first security updates for 2024 have arrived for Windows, as we are the second Tuesday of the month of January. It's Patch Tuesday, the bug fixing and security fixes mostly. There are two bug fixes that are included this month, both for Windows 10 and 11, for things that are not common to most people. It's really more of an enterprise thing. One has to do with Wi-Fi connectivity with specific devices, and the other one has to do with when you use some types of cards that are plugged in, the computer actually shuts down after 60 seconds. So these are two bug fixes that you pushed. But for the rest, it's security updates. In total, for all the Microsoft products, it's 48 unique vulnerabilities that are fixed. Within Windows itself, it is in Windows 10, the 34 vulnerabilities are fixed. 2 are critical, 32 important. The critical ones are Windows Kerberos security feature bypass and the Windows Hyper-V remote code execution vulnerabilities. The Windows 11, 22H2, and 23H2 contain the same updates, which is 35 vulnerabilities that are fixed, 2 are critical, and 33 important. The critical ones, from what we see, there doesn't seem to be 0 days, so they don't seem to be already known by hackers, so it's time to fix them before they do. And of course, keeping your Windows updates and your Windows security fixes up to date is the way that you stay safe on your PC. Remember, you can go to the settings, go into the Windows updates, and click the check for update button. And, well, that will actually keep you safe for January of 2024. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.